study and method to address environmental concerns plastic waste while exploring its innovative way to repurpose into functional household appliances.
Our study aims to reduce plastic waste by transforming these bottles into a sustainable vacuum cleaner. Plastic pollution is a major global issue, with millions of metric tons of plastic waste ending up in the environment every year. Single-use plastic bottles are a key contributor to this crisis. The main goal of this research is to determine the feasibility of using recycled plastic bottles as vacuum cleaner casing, assess the material strength, durability, and recyclability of these components, develop a working prototype that performs comparably to conventional vacuum cleaners while promoting sustainability.
You might ask why choose a vacuum cleaner for study. Vacuum cleaners are essential household appliances used globally, making them a great candidate for sustainable redesign. Plastic casings make up a significant portion of traditional vacuum cleaners by replacing them with recycled plastic bottles. We reduce manufacturing reliance on clear plastic. It demonstrates a high value of application of recycled plastic, proving that recycled materials can become reliable and not as low-cost alternatives. Our research led to the development of a prototype vacuum cleaner made primarily from repurposed plastic bottles. Essential components like a motor and filters were sourced conventionally, ensuring efficient operation while maximizing the use of recycled plastic.
The primary material in our vacuum cleaner include recycled plastic bottle for the passing, using motor and fan blade for suction power. Test filter to trap gas particles. Plastic hose for section. Battery pack on USB power source for operation. Adhesive material for sealing connection. This material ensures that our vacuum cleaner is lightweight, functional, and eco-friendly.
The pros and cons of this vacuum cleaner. The pros is eco-friendly, reduces plastic waste and promotes sustainability. Cost-effective, uses recycled materials, potentially lowering production costs. Encourages innovation, inspire manufacturers to adopt sustainable practices. Consumer appeal aligns with the growing demand of environmentally friendly products. The cons is durability concerns. Recycled plastic bottles may not be as sturdy as traditional vacuum materials. Limited availability of recycled plastic processing. Not all areas have efficient recycling systems. But potential design limitations may require reinforcement or additional modifications to match the strength of commercial vacuum material cleaners. Study findings. Our tests on the prototype revealed promising results. The vacuum cleaner showed strong material durability and resilience in everyday use. The product was easy to use, lightweight, and well received by consumers. Survey results indicated a high preference for sustainable products, with many respondents willing to purchase an eco-friendly vacuum cleaner. Lastly, performance was comparable to regular vacuum cleaners, where improvements in durability and motor efficiency are relative.
In conclusion, this research provides proof that recycled plastic bottles can be successfully repurposed into functional household appliances. Our vacuum cleaner prototype demonstrates that sustainability and efficiency can go hand in hand. However, further research is needed to enhance material strength and optimize recycling methods. By adopting innovations like this, we can reduce plastic waste, promote circular economy and create sustainable alternatives for everyday life.
Okay, testing natin. Okay. Ay, dapat yung filter. Galing naman. Sino nakapag-isip niyan? Ay. So, magkano nagastos niyo sa paggawa?
Kasi